Hey everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing for Potomac beads for May of 2026. This is their treasure box subscription. If you're not familiar with it, the price is monthly is $39.99 if you do it monthly. If you price it quarterly, it's $34.99, so you save $60 a year. And if you price it annually, it's $29.99, so you save $120 for the year. I have a coupon code. It's kind of a long code, but I'll leave it in the description as well. S31D69N1NB for 15% off your first order with them. They are such a great company. They have such beautiful crystals, Czech glass, pearls, seed beads. They have premium metals in there, etc. Just such great stuff, and it's beginner friendly. So a little bit of everything. You know, they have enough in here for you to create pieces. So and then all the leftover stuff, you'd love to put it in my stash, and I'll use it like months down the road, you know, for something else. Like if I'm looking for a certain bead, I just go back to Potomac Beads, and they always have the right thing. So let's see. So here we have Dahlia Fields. Step into the, is it Dahlia? Dahlia Fields treasure box. I can't talk today, sorry. A vibrant curation inspired by the lush textures and blooming colors of a spring garden. At the heart of this collection are the bead tech resin dahlias, which are designed to be planted directly into the garden clasp for a stunning focal point, or used as a multi-hole connector to grow additional lines of intricate beadwork. Complemented by shimmering amethyst gemstones and soft Potomac pearls, these materials invite you to cultivate unique designs that are as breathtaking as a garden in full flower. Okay. Oh, just so pretty. I love these. The light tanzanite. I love these beads. They have such a beautiful cut to them on the edges. We have some amethyst. Oh, cathedral beads. Yes. Oh, and these are so pretty, these pentagonal rounds. Oh, these are so pretty. Oh. Oh, and some beautiful Miyuki beads. Pi Duo beads, metallic jewel. And then this must be the infinite cabochon clasp. And then our pearls, of course, Potomac pearls, you gotta have that. Oh, and they have a pretty necklace here, and crystal bicones, and some other goodies. Let me get everything set up, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we are starting off with the Clasp Garden Barrel Clasp. Smooth barrel box push clasp. It's gold plated, and so you just push that in. So this is a really nice, if you don't want to use a lobster clasp, it's a really great way to end a necklace. So we got that. Then we have Czech faceted rondelles in jet, 11 by 13 millimeters. Look at these, how pretty these are. They're kind of like a barrel bead almost. So they have that squareness to them. Very pretty. Okay. And next, Potomac Crystal Ingot. I can't talk today. Beads, light tanzanite, AB 4 by 8 millimeter. It's so hard because sometimes you see a word and I'm like, ingot, indigo, ingot. It's ingot, I think. But these are so pretty. Look at the sparkle in these. And I love the cut on them. That sharp edge like that. It gives so much sparkle to the bead. I just love getting my Potomac treasure box every month. And next is Miyuki Bugle Beads Metallic Dark Iris, 3 millimeter. Look at how pretty these are. I love the bugle beads. I'm just putting a few in there. So look at that. I mean, these are so pretty. I love that sparkle, that iris that they have going on. And they're a little longer. They're not like a regular seed bead. So pretty. And then we have the Potomac Crystal Rivoli and Mystic Sapphire 12 millimeter. This is stunning. Look at that bead. Oh, let me kind of put it there so I can move it around so you can see. Look at that. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? This is absolutely beautiful. And that's the other side of it. Okay. Next we have Potomac Crystal Bicone Beads, Metallic Blue Iris 6 millimeter. And these are pretty. I always like to kind of move them around so you can see that shine, that sparkle that they have. These make great spacer beads on a lot of stuff. If you don't use them up in this month's bead, these are great for like a bracelet or just to give a pop of color and sparkle to something. They make a great spacer bead. And they have that interesting cut to them. And next are the Czech Cathedral Amethyst Copper Beads, 8x6 millimeter, package of 18. I love cathedral beads. Look at how pretty they are. I love the way they're cut. And then they have that little gold. Sometimes they have different colors, you know, for the bottom, but oh, they're just so gorgeous. They almost look like there's a bead cap on the end, but it's not. But if you use these, if you use these for a spacer bead, you really put a lot of interest in your jewelry. I love these. Oh, they're so pretty. I might just hoard them and not use them. Because I'm one of those weirdos. Okay, and next are Miyuki seed beads in Aztec Gold 80. Potomac Beads has great Miyuki seed beads. They always have such great beads. Yeah, they're really pretty. And the shapes, the holes are very, you know, they're very good as far as being even. You know, you don't get one that's a little smaller than the other. And we have those. And next, oh, these are so much fun. Czech glass pentagonal rounds and matte jet. These are so much fun. So let me kind of move them around a little bit so you can see the different shimmers in them. Oh, they're so much fun to work with. If you make yourself just like a bracelet, just using these, each one's a little different, and like just moving them around like that. You can, like half of it is, you know, jet black. The other half has that AB finish on it with the blue. So pretty. Okay, and next, of course, we could always use a good gemstone. Amethyst round beads in 8 millimeter, 7-inch strand. Oh, these are pretty. Oh, these are heavy. Look at how gorgeous these are. And even if you just wanted to make yourself a little gemstone stretch bracelet, perfect length, 7 millimeter. Very pretty. These are very heavy. These got some weight to them. Okay. And next are Super Duo beads, pastel and Bordeaux. Last month they sent us like a mini Super Duo, and they were blue. They're really pretty. These are just the regular. I think these are the regular Super Duo size. Yeah. So really pretty, like a dark lilac, purple. Kind of reminds me of Prince. Although everything reminds me of Prince. And next, Athena cast link connectors and Celtic symbols, 6 by 12 millimeter, 24 karat. Oh, these are cool. Now look at these. Now imagine, oh, I'm getting some really cool ideas for this. I'm getting some really cool ideas for these connectors. I'm going to have to work with this. I'm not going to say anything yet until I know if it's going to work or not. But I think that might be really cool. We shall stay tuned for that one. I have to marinate that in my brain. And next, the Pie Duos in Metallic Jewel Mix, a package of 20. These are so pretty. I love these beads. They're so much fun to work with. They do look like a piece of pie. And there's 2 holes in them. Okay. Oh, and I love a Czech melon bead. They're Czech melon beads, pink and blue swirl, 8 millimeter, package of 12. I love Czech melon beads. I love that striping on them. They're so pretty. Kind of reminds me of baby colors, like for a nursery or something, or, you know, one of those reveal parties that they have now where you don't know if it's a boy or a girl. So these are really pretty. And next is a finished necklace jewelry cord. This is really pretty. It's got the 3 strands, and then it's got the ribbon, and it's connected with silver lobster clasp and an extender chain. So that's pretty. And next are Potomac pearls and lavender, 6 millimeter, half strand. I love their pearls. They always send us the most gorgeous pearls. These would be pretty to use with the amethyst beads. Look how pretty those are. Oh, these are gorgeous. They're actually like very shiny. They're like a bright color. Very pretty. These have some weight to them too. Then we have the Potomac beads, Potomac Infinite Cabochon Clasp, 12.5 millimeter premium, 24 karat rose gold plated, package of 2. Okay, so I see what they're saying now. Okay, so this goes with the next one. So we have this, and then this goes into this. And it locks in there, and then you have to squeeze that to get it out. Yes, this stuff. And then that goes with the Bead Tech Resin Dahlia beads in lilac. These are really cool. I think that's what they were talking about. Yeah. So these have a hole. These have 3 holes. Okay, hold on 1 minute. Let me get one of my head pins. Whoa, these have, are these 3-hole beads? Whoa, look at that. Oh gosh. All of a sudden, I have a million ideas for these beads. I have never seen these before. That's the front. That's the back. Oh my gosh. Okay. We're going to have to do some, I'm going to have to marinate on this. That's what I always call it, marinating. I go for my walks, listen to my Brazilian jazz music, and think up stuff. Like I'll look beads, and then I'll go for a walk. And you know, let everything marinate and figure out what I want to do. These are super cool. I saw 1 hole. I didn't see 3 holes. Oh boy, are these, you know what? Okay, this is going to be fun working with these. Oh, so I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I can't wait to work with this box. I hope you enjoyed this. And yeah, these are a showstopper. These are going to be really fun. Wow. Look at the detail in these beads. They're so cool. Okay, well, definitely stay tuned for my tutorials for this. So I hope you enjoyed this. And if you're not subscribed, subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if possible, at the bottom where it says comment, if you swipe it over to the left, it'll say hype. And if you hype this video, it boosts it even more in this in the search engines, and it makes more people able to find my videos. So I would love it if you would do that as well. I appreciate each and every one of you. I love making jewelry and hearing everybody's experiences and everything. And you know, you guys leaving comments, tell me what you're working on and new ideas you have and everything. So keep it up, and let's finish growing this channel and connecting to each other. And you guys have a great day, and I'll see you on my next video. Thank you so much for watching.